Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Motive channel. It's your favorite girl, Jen Nyanza. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and welcome to this family. You'll enjoy it here. If you're a returning OG, thank you so much for always coming back to my videos. I love you guys and yeah. So it's been a while ever since I uploaded something for you, and today I thought why not? So yeah, I want to bake a cake and I want to take you guys through the steps, and I hope you like it, you'll enjoy it. Yeah, so stick around, kindly like this video and comment, let me know what you think about the video. So let's do this. So guys, I'm starting off with eggs. Yeah, and I decided to use 4 eggs. So I guess you can also use 4 eggs. And then the other steps will follow. So guys, this is the final result. Yeah, I have mixed up everything, so I did not show you that, but this is the end result. This is how your butter should look like. Yeah, and it's ready for the next step. So guys, this is it, and we are finally going to the next and fun part, the best, which all of us have been waiting for. Hey guys, thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around till this far. And as you can see, this is our final result. Our cake looks so good. And let me tell you, Maina, it was so yummy. The most delicious cake I've ever made. I've been making cakes, but they haven't been turning out this great. And this one was a milestone. This one, it was my first attempt that was really successful, and I'm so proud of myself. And you can see it was so good, and I'm super proud of myself. Thank you so much for sticking around till this far. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like this video, guys, and let me know, what do you think about this cake? Do you love it? And yeah, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.